Don't shovel it in, Don. A little bit at a time.
That's what I would think.
I don't think you can be more upright in that chair.
They're good.
You can hold them if you want.
It's hard, I think, to feed them together. What were you thinking?
Yummy, yummy.
Swings a
huh,
little bit,
Tyler?
yeah.
That's good. Open up.
Mmm, good.
Okay, wait a minute. Turn it on.
Right.
Mom says it needs to be up
Oh.
more.
Oh, okay.
No.
Yeah, with the. There he's
Then
good.
we'll go down.
There.
He's
Oh,
still leaning
boy.
back.
That's perfect.
Joe, take that out of there. Look at him foot.
Yeah, his neck went.
Boo boo.
What's that face about?
What's more?
Nummy, nummy.
Don't feed him too much too fast, Don.
Okay.
Take it out of there.
Oh, that was working good. Makes you
Yeah. It goes down that way.
Say I drink a bottle that
Ooh, that one went down good.
way. More?
More.
Did you give him just what, a couple of spoonsful that they said in?
Yeah, I didn't even put as much baby food in. I just put
Oh,
half of what she told me. Okay, next. We got more people to go.
Here. We can only feed him
That
two
was
spoons.
Grandpa feeding
We
him.
can only feed 2 spoons because everybody thinks you don't have that much.
You got a spoon and take a little off.
He thinks it's funny.
Now it's Grandma
Yeah,
Yakey.
Sam, it gives you a little bit.
Yeah, he's getting the hang of it.
He is getting it.
I love it. I love it. Yes, I do.
Too much.
He says, "Why'd you wait so long to do this for me?"
Oh, he's really gonna be chunky.
This is
Coming out.
This is quite a bit to feed him though.
She said 2 tablespoons of rice with formula and then mixed with baby food.
How's that fun?
No, she wiped it away.
Fun.
Tyler likes it.
Fun.
Yeah, he thinks it's funny.
I told you not to.
You're too quick with it.
I said,
were waiting
told you
for
to do
that.
that when mommy fed you.
Get some more.
Put some in and leave the spoon away from his mouth for a minute. You're too fast with that spoon.
Okay, somebody else can.
Okay, give him another bite and get the spoon around in there.
Here, Kathy, you.
My
So I
neck's
can get a
Yeah,
picture
we
of it
gotta get
coming out.
everybody in the feed, so it can't be too long.
You're gonna have some more.
Yeah.
Are you gonna have some more, huh?
Now it's our babushka Yitzel.
Here it goes. Oh, yummy, 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 yummy. That's so good. See, that's so good, isn't it? It's so good. Yeah. There's one already.
I got it that time.
Are you gonna blow a bubble?
My kids never like to
Are you gonna